Karom nili kacing hon nai Karbi ang mangarat pini labang so video pa nilitum Charlie Damnang inut kejabang mate inut a leader kupipi ason mate a quality donang jilo nalitum jong si bangso a channel la long akimilang pulotang te nalitum kang hon pen subscribe ik vekta point number 1 na ke honesty mate chobai be inut mesen a leader pulotang te rada phan pachobai be alang di kining je ason ansita me a hokpet pensi ning je pon Number 2, communication skill. Mate alang litum lam kining je tek serji. Alang litum Chethan Chemum long an sitame. Alang litum lam barchenji. Lapente aron sitame tek serji. Point number 3, vision. Mate akemang. Inut mesen apun achak a leader pulotang te alang litum akemang doji. Alang litum methanga khai, methanga deda pan. Ko nat an si papa prang jima alang li akemang do vekji. Point number 4, empathy. Mate rada tum akari alang litum chini vekji lapente rada tum akenang sot kupiason ma alang di chini vek. Point number 5, decisiveness. Mate ajada saya long le claim sitame prabjin bensi claim ponji lapente ning theklong bensi claim ponji. Point number 6, adaptability. Mate esona bidipen pachun ponun ep boy pit sitame ka preka bidipen to warsi alang litum pachun pon vekji. 7, collaborations. Mate alang litum jung Pene asai alang litum pachun ponun pulotang te aka prekpen alang litum chelang si alang litum klempon rapet si pachun ponji. Number 8 lake accountability. Mate alang litum mahawara long hiduk kisung keheng no ason wanglo pulotang te alang litum amethang adai cng. Lapen de ke chok che ason sitame alang litum chikubirji. Keheng no ason hiduk kisung ason an sitame kipavirji phanda alang litum klempon vekji. Number 9 lake courage. Mate inut phere rede dabang. Isia war isia det isia khaya long pregjam akisung wang vekji labang so akisung ahut sitame alang li arjap thipji re ji lapenda alang li methang ha war ki mesenji phanalang li keng kam che jor pon vekji. Number 10 lake resilience mate ajara kisung le wang sitame aphi chiru re peduk pekji lapenda ning kiding besi claim ponji alang li methang akhai mate ahawara pha lanchot kali litum mesen a leader long pregjam quality sitame dolang Bond seven di lansi pinia porge nali tumpah Chethan nam chorlo mate paklang nam chorlo nali tumpah nili nar ju itung lakado gawe ilitum ka Chethan ana qualities ilitum a leaders atum along doloma dolo pulutang te ilitum ning cheparong lonang avelo pulutang te ilitum kematha kechepa pregnancy kenang sodlo nili nali tumpah na Chethan chot a qualities anwe jipu kali kaprek a qualities misen a leader atum long dolang Bon sampai pini apolan si litum Chethan nam chonang ilitum puthot Chethan nam chun sinang Rahul Gandhi apan opposition party a leader invite tang Rahul Gandhi alangli 18 Lok Sabha a speaker Om Birla apan congratulate kipihud alam ilitum langnam sinang mate Chethan nam sinang.
Of course the government has political power but the opposition also represents the voice of India.
Rahul Gandhi pulo non kido a government mate a sarkar mate BJP atum alang litum si political power ke dono bon sitabe opposition party atum ase angtong lage kado kawe India araj ase angtong lo usi alang li pulo.
It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this house, that you will allow us to represent our voice, allow us to speak, allow us to represent the voice of the people of India.
Position atum ase angtong bang so a parliament along allowed kipi kenang sodlo pusi alang listame jongkon lo alang li putulo nili ning thelo labang so a house mate labang so parliament a hem long opposition tum ase angtong but opposition tum sitame lam kaning je phan ajakong pipo pusi nili ning thelo pusi Rahul Gandhi ning jelo.
Speaker sir, the question is not how efficiently the house is run. The question is how much of India's voice is being allowed to be heard in this country.
Alang li putulo speaker sir alamang kela bang so parliament ko an kimisi kelana mate kelang lakali alamang ke ko an si India rat ase angtong bang so parliament along kaning jeji ajakong PG ma pusi alang li pulo.
So the idea, Speaker sir, so the idea that you can run the house efficiently by silencing the voice of the opposition is a non-democratic idea.
alang li putulo bang so parliament jong silana pamiji pulo tangte opposition party atum ase angtong deep tip lage non democratic usialang ni jong ponlo lasi ilitum chini pa menangji jong si sarkar atum ke claim pon chokchi pulo tangte opposition party atum ase chepadodun mate ase angtong ke chepadodun lage hingmune jong sialang li tum kether ke happen ase angtong kidip di kabor I pulo tangte lage non democratic lo mate lage constitution aron karkan lo lake democracy a country ilitum kandok abista me chini lo lasi ilitum a rights to chokchi pugijong dunji phanke chok along chokchi pugiding ji dum bangke a rights ave bon se me chokchi along ke chokchi pugijong dun bangke ilitum a rights do Rahul Gandhi puthot alang lining ji thulo bang so election ang thek nang pilo India arata ning ki hang opposition party etum bang so Indian constitution cherai kom nang ji pusi alang litum ang thek nang pilo pusi alang li samin ningje ponlo lasi Rahul Gandhi kaningje alam alang li hengnore re ache alang li constitution ban cherai kon nang ji pusi alang li ke pathe ponlo nali tum matha thaji nili congress pina kosi Rahul Gandhi pan rore lopu bon systemic kali a party tin pan systemic nili keng no longke nili keng no sin ningje ponji lapende messen alongke nili messen sin ningje ponji sab o ning chiparong dam nang jia thebange lalo opposition party a leader dolo jongsi non ke do a government tum jongsi ki klepan chokchi pulutang te alang li sitame alang li ase ang tong sitame pidun unlo alang li hadak parliament long alang li kaning jidun jipon alang li chakong khepik lo to idil Rahul Gandhi kaning che alam mang elitum lale elitum Chethan ponchor sinang lapente elitum long north east long non dakimi MP keman tum sitame do BJP pen kali alang elitum congress pen do lapente alang elitum independent sitame do inut bahani MP ini pan nili a video ke thek long pen ning sam pic rasi labang so video clips tami thek panang ni tum bana paklang ke mesin nili ning hang lo eli tum aprang si langdam sinang Manipur along MP akimi congress pen alang li mel lake angomcha bimol akoijam bang so no na paklang je video lake abanched lo election mate vote ki jog arni a video halabang so polling station along polling officer tum phan ko mani pang thek che tum bang mat hair hap tekang mat kajilo lasi alang li hadak police officer tum han kang check mate ke than ke pare alam ili tum thek pena video lang amsina
My name is Amomcha Bimol Apoisam. I'm INC candidate. I teach in daily. You understand? You listen to me because this officer has already complained that there was a commotion here. And how come that your officer in charge has no idea about this? No, sir. When the agent is thrown out and threatened, who is supposed to protect him? There was a commotion here. Listen, there was a commotion here. The agent was threatened and he left. And what happened to those security forces here? What happened? You're supposed to have a peaceful polling here.
labang so video pen iltum chini lo MP bimol akoijam alang li thek ser lapende courage sitamedo lapende puthot langdam thu sinang Meghalaya pen IMP saling sangma alang li parliament along alang li phana por pipede da jok alang li a reaction ni tum lang sinang la chota kali lang li tum langnam thu sinang alang li microphone hengno dak joine alang li a reaction ni tum langdam sinang alang li a courage sitame li tum langdam sinang
this is the highest decorum of the state and then this people who are not looking after this.
Hey man, I have the privilege also. Don't talk like that. I said better situation.
Take looking up very not looking. This is very embarrassment to the assemblies. This is very highest of the house when we are not having the stupid
kasi nili ning kya ke lalo lapente man ke lalo inut a leader pulotang te courage do vek nangji parliament along stame cheche khai vek nangji ki chokche along pulotang te lapente ilitum ke long nangji a right season ke long le pulotang te isse angtong nar juji pulotang te hadak stame cheche khai nangji lapente chedan dun hai nangji jong si kadokove rat ase angtong bangso parliament along nar juji pulotang te inut a leader jong si alang li rada pan thang son klempi pontekti pulutang te alang litum amenchi lok chotke litum hokta rodam de alang litum rada kar I sitame klempon vek nangji alang li methang man chematha thi si rat man chematha si alang li sitame klempon vek nangji la pen pachun pon vek nangji nele ning chelo la bangso video pen elitum chidipon lo inut apuna chak alidar pulutang te kopi pia quality do nangji ma Nali tupan choro perpiglo bangso video ke chengpen kijut an kelang kontek pot. Ilitum ka prega video long ka prega lam putot ilitum Chethan ponang. Dome tagme karom.